Good morning, children. This is your teacher Nafisa Edenwala wishing you a very cheerful morning. Hope you all are doing well. Children, in the previous lecture, we finished Unit 2. We have already finished 1 for your first term. Now we have already finished Unit 2 in the previous lecture. Now, today we are going to do revision. As our exams are, children, approaching, you all know very well, right? First term exams. So we need to do little revision also. Study, right? So I'm going to do revision with you all. Even I'm going to revise with you, right? Okay. So let's get started, children, with Unit 1 revision. This Unit 1 we had already done when we had first unit test, but this unit 1 again I am here with different set of question for you all so that you freshen up all that you have forgotten. So the first chapter is A Time to Believe. Next is number 2, that is 1.2, is Dick Whittington and his cat. 1.3, The Pilgrim, and 1.4, Reviti's Musical Plant. So let's get started, children. English Literature, revision of Unit 1. Answer in one word. That is, you can say, I could say is, you were given a phrase, you have to write in one word. What does it mean? That is a meaning, a kind of a meaning. Number 1, a narrow passage between a building, alley. That is a short lane or street, what we call. To hear someone without knowledge, मतलब किसी की बातें चुप कर सुन लेना, is called overhearing. That is overhearing. Number 3, great disappointment, dismay. Means you don't like it or you're not happy with it. That is called dismay. I can give you an example. When a teacher comes to the class and she says, children, I'm very greatly disappointed with your marks. Means she's not happy with the marks. Many have failed. So that is called dismay. Right? The great disappointment, dismay. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, Mr. Fitzwarren was dash by profession. Was a rich merchant, right? Dick slept in a small corner of which room? What is that room called? Attic. Yes. Revati played her favorite tune, Raga Mohanam. Even the aging hand has beauty. These are the hands of your parents, grandparents. Whenever you feel low or you are sad, you rush to them. They hug you. And these hands have taught you love and compassion. You feel comfortable, right? From which poem? Time to Believe. Make sentences. Now there are certain words given. You have to frame a sentence. Come to no harm means कुछ नुकसान नहीं होगा. Right? उसका meaning is it nothing can go wrong. If we are careful while traveling, we will come to no harm. To drive away means किसी को अपने से दूर करना. This happened with whom? Dick, when he went to people asking for food. It was cold in London, so people drove him away. दूर उसको भगा दिया. Right? अपने से दूर किया because unfriendly people, right? The crowd did its best to drive away the bull from the market. Number 3, to surmise means to guess. Ritu's surmise of seeing a snake in her bed was reality. रीटू ने अपने बिस्तर पे बेड पे कुछ देखा और उसको लगा वहाँ पे कुछ एनिमल है, and she was right, it was snake. मतलब उसका गैस राइट हुआ. Answer the following, children. Now, I would like to instruct children something to you all. And whenever you write your answers, children, please write a complete answer. Don't start with because you will lose your marks, right? And as you go in further classes, 9th and 10th, you may lose more marks if you do that. So, start writing full answers. Don't start from because. Unless and until it is there in a complete the following. But when you're writing your answer, it should be in full form. So let's get started, children. Write 4 things that a poet wants us to accept as truth. Number 1, answer. We have strength and courage within us, right? We all have strength and courage within us. We are never alone. कभी अकेले नहीं हैं हम. Who is with us? God. Life is a gift and we must cherish every moment. The life is a gift given to you by whom? God. And the poet is trying to tell us through this poem is that God wants to cherish all the moments. You all to cherish all the moments. Just don't cry over it. खुश रहना सीखो क्योंकि हमारी लाइफ बहुत छोटी है, right? It's a gift from God. All our hopes and dreams are within our reach, right? हमारे सपने पूरे करने किसके हाथ में हैं? किसी और के हाथ में नहीं, हमारे खुद के हाथ में. It is within our reach. We can fulfill our dreams with lot of hard work. Question number 2. What kind of attitude does a poet in the time to believe advise everybody to have? The poet advises to have optimistic attitude. I told you, it's optimistic means positive. Means हमेशा अच्छा सोचो, सही सोचो, right? Why was Dick disappointed on reaching London? जब Dick London पहुंचा वो क्यों दुखी हो गया? Why was he not happy? Dick was disappointed on reaching London because instead of streets paved with gold, he found dirty streets and unfriendly people. जब Dick London पहुंचा तो उसने क्या देखा कि the streets were not paved with gold. वहाँ पे कोई सोना नहीं था. The streets were dirty and the people were not friendly. Yes? Now, next. Question number 4. What happened when the food was brought in the palace? Whose palace? Yes, Barbary, right? Barbary kings. Right? What happened when the food was brought in front of the captain? What happened? When the food was brought in at the palace, immediately rats and mice ran up before the captain's eyes and ate up all the food. पूरा खाना खा गए वो लोग. Why does the old man had no need to build a bridge across the chasm? Old man, we are talking about whom? The pilgrim, right? Pilgrim is now old. उसने अपनी पूरी लाइफ उसने स्पेंड कर दी है, right? Now he has become old. And what is the underlying meaning? That he is already crossed his life. He cannot become young or a small boy. So he doesn't need to, he is not going to go back. He has already crossed that ravine, the difficulties, the problems he has overcome. So he does not need to build a bridge. That is what I had to explain you this poem, right? The old man had already crossed the chasm and would never pass that way again. Right? Hence the old man had no need to build a bridge across the chasm. Chasm is a वैली, डीप वैली, और chasm का अंडरलाइन मीनिंग डिफिकल्टीज, राइट? Why had no one suspected that neighbor had stolen the plants? No one suspected that the neighbor had stolen the plant because she was a regular participant. किसी को उस पर शक ही नहीं हुआ नेबर पे, राइट? नो वन डाउटेड, उसको किसी को भी डाउट नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि वो हमेशा कोई भी प्रोग्राम होता था नेबर उसमें पार्ट लेती थी। तो कोई सोच भी नहीं सकता था कि रेवती के जो नेबर है उन्होंने चुराया उसका प्लांट। Why did Revati decide to keep her knowledge a secret? Now, which knowledge we are talking about? Not the book knowledge. What was that secret? That whenever Revati played a Mohanam, right, Raga Mohana, the plants bent towards her. That was a secret. उसने क्यों किसी को नहीं बताया? Let's see. Answer. Revati decided to keep her knowledge a secret because she felt that it was between her and her beloved plant. Secondly, she felt nobody would believe her if she mentioned that her plants were music lovers. Now Revati decided to keep this with her because उसको लगा ये उसके और उसके प्लांट्स जिसको वो बहुत चाहती थी वो सीक्रेट आपस में ही रखना चाहती थी। She didn't want to tell anyone, share anyone with anyone. And secondly, उसको डर था कि अभी कहीं किसी को उसने कहा भी तो कोई बिलीव करेगा कि that her plants are music lover? No, so she did not tell to anyone. Write the line which urges us to have faith. Means which urges us means which tells us to have faith. In poem, Time to Believe. Which line? You have to pick out that line. And that line is, to believe is to know we are never alone. Means हमें God में faith रखना है. This line urges us to have faith. Have you all understood, children? Isn't it getting little easier? And aren't you all recalling what we have left behind? Or if you have forgotten, we are refreshing up the memory. Refreshing the memory. Complete the following. Here, certain statement is given. You have to complete. It could be asked in give reason style also. At first, Revati's plants did not look normal and healthy because they had a pale green leaves and the growth was stunted due to insufficient sunlight. उसके plants कैसे थे starting में? लीव्स ग्रीन नहीं थे, दे वर स्टंटेड, जल्दी ग्रो नहीं होते थे बिकॉज इट वॉज नॉट गेटिंग सफिशिएंट सनलाइट. सेकेंड, Revati was confident of proving her ownership of a pot of plants because T is missing, children. Sorry for that. She knew that her plants loved music and would respond to her favorite raga. They would bend their stem towards her, proving that they were hers. वो ये क्या उसके प्लान्स उसको क्या कहना चाहते हैं कि ये मैं तुम्हारा ही हूँ. That is, and the plants had also started having the feelings for Revati. Revati's grief knew no bounds because she could not find her pot of balsam plant. When Revati played her favorite raga, the plants began to move because they liked the music she was playing. Match the following. Raga D, which goes with D, Mohanam. Man on the moon, creator, that is a god, you can say. Journey, life, B. Evening, 4 goes with A, that is death. Now let's move further. Yes, this is a comparative, superlative and positive degree. Positive degrees are the root words. Comparative means when you are comparing two things, you use this word with er and then is added, than. And superlative is the highest degree with est or most. Most. Let's do it, children. Great, greater, greatest. Famous, more famous, most famous. Easy, easier, easiest. Bad, worse, worst. Poor, poorer, poorest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Little, less, least. Worthy, worthier, worthiest. Popular, more popular, and most popular. Yes, children? So, this is your revision of the first unit test that we did today. Hope you all enjoyed this session, and now you must start revising. You already have unit test 1, the previous video. You have the second video also. So, I want you all to do your best in your exams. Wishing you a very best. Love you all, children. Have a nice day. Take care.